Ito BMW 320D Sport. Ito. Home service natin dito sa La Union. Problema, steering problem. Tapos yung shock. Yung starter niya, yung cover, tie rod, knock and stop link at suspension arm.